Hello, friends. Miss Shantae. Just wanted to stop in and say hi. And I hope everyone's doing okay. And I miss you all. Today I'm going to read a book. I know how you guys love Pete the Cat, so I went out and got us a new Pete the Cat book. So I hope you guys like it. All right, friends. Today I'm going to read Pete the Cat, Crayons Rock. All right. Pete loves his big box of groovy crayons. He loves to draw things like cars, trucks, flowers, and trees, and most of all, the big blue sea. What do you guys like to draw, friends? Do you like the same things that Pete likes to draw, or something different? From Rockin' Red to Cool Cat Blue, with a box of crayons, there's nothing Pete can't do. One day, Pete decided to draw something new. What do you guys think he's going to draw, friends? Using lots of colors is so much fun. Pete wanted to use every one. He scribbled and drew a great big smile. His drawings were groovy and rockin' with style. Crayons rock! Pete was so proud of the pictures he drew, he hoped his friends would dig them too. Pete showed Grumpy Toad first. Grumpy Toad said, "This doesn't look right. Those colors are way too bright." Pete thought, "Hey, no sweat. That's all right. The next one will be dynamite." Pete showed Gus his picture too. Gus asked, "Who is this supposed to be? It doesn't really look like me." Do you guys think that looks like Gus? Pete thought, "Hey, no sweat. That's all right. The next one will be just right." Pete finally showed Callie her picture. Callie said, "This one is fine, but it feels like something's missing from mine." What do you think is missing from the picture? Pete said, "What a mess!" Bummer. I guess my drawings aren't the best. Pete started to frown. He put his crayons down. How do you think Pete is feeling now, friends? In art class, the teacher asked, "Pete, what are you going to make?" "I don't know. I'm afraid of making a mistake." Pete looked around. Gus drew the coolest superheroes. Callie's flowers were awesome, out of sight. Grumpy's motorcycle was just right. Pete's heart sank. His paper was blank. Oh, friends, I think Pete is feeling pretty sad. What do you guys think? The gang looked at Pete and said, "No sweat, it's all right. It doesn't have to be just right. Your art is cool because it's you. Your art is so unique. Grab your groovy box of crayons and show us your technique." The teacher agreed. Art should be fun. Art is for everyone. From Rockin' Red to Cool Cat Blue, with a box of crayons, there's nothing you can't do. Pete smiled. There are no rules. It's no big deal. Art is about how it makes you feel. Pete loved his cool art. That's one thing Pete knew. Suddenly, Pete knew exactly what to do. What do you guys think he's going to do? He tried again. Instead of drawing them one by one, he drew the whole gang, just having fun. Look, all these crayons on the school bus. How cool is that? What's your guys' favorite color, friends? Wow, way to go, Pete. That's a rockin' masterpiece. Grumpy Toad, Gus, and Callie agreed Pete's picture was off the charts. See, that's the groovy thing about art. The best art comes from the heart. Crayons rock. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed our new book, and I want to challenge you to make your own masterpiece. Use any colors you want. Make any picture you want, and I bet it's going to be awesome. And you guys can show me, send me pictures, or show me during our Zoom meeting. So I hope you have fun making your own masterpieces this week, friends. Bye.